Welcome to Hirani Config MGR. Managing devices in your organization becomes effortless with Jamf Now's open enrollment feature that allows for the management of personally owned devices. To enable open enrollment in your Jamf Now account, follow these steps. Click on Open Enrollment in the sidebar. Check the box that says Enable Open Enrollment. Enter a 4-digit access code. Decide how long the link should remain active. Click on Save Settings to apply the changes. Share the open enrollment link with end users via email, messaging apps, or an internal portal. Once enabled, the open enrollment feature will allow users to enroll their devices for the specified time. Launch the Safari browser on your device. Enter your unique open enrollment link provided by your organization. Input the 4-digit access code set up by your org. Enter the user's name and click or tap on Start Enrollment. Allow the configuration profile to download onto your device. Installing the profile. Navigate to Settings. Select Profile Downloaded. Tap on Install in the top right corner. Trust the profile when prompted to complete installation. This method allows end users to enroll their iPads and iPhones without the need for IT to manually configure each device. Confirm that the device appears under the Devices tab in Jamf Now.